Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to free up space in your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do from your home page right here, navigate to settings icon right here. Then when you get to setting icon, click on OK. Then this is going to drop down right here. Next thing you need to do is to head over to make sure you continue until you get to system. Click on system right here and it takes you right here. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you scroll down until you get to storage right here. So on getting to storage, click on OK, then it takes you right here. Now here, you need to move to free up space right here. Click on free up space, then you have cache file and uninstall apps right here. Now, what you want to do right here is to make sure you click on cache file. So as at the time of making this video, I have about 42.55 megabytes of cache file that are occupying a lot of storage space on my Google Smart TV. What we want to do now is to click on OK. Then this is going to pump up. Clear cache data. This will clear cache data for all apps. Click on OK. It's that simple. The next thing you want to do is to head over to uninstall apps. Click on uninstall apps, then you have all apps that you have on your Google Smart TV. Review any of the apps that is consuming a lot of storage space right here. You can review them. If you see anyone that is consuming a lot of storage space right here and you are no longer use them, select on the app. Let's say for instance, I want to remove this particular app right here. This is about 104 megabytes. Click on the app and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right there and hit on uninstall. When you click on uninstall, it takes you right there. Then click on OK. It's that simple. You are going to save a lot of storage space. So basically, this is how to free up space in your Google Smart TV. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.